how I made this edit.
And the Game Award goes to... Red Boy.
First of all, you have to upload your all clips and music. As you can see, I already add all clips according to the music. Now you have to add beats in your music. Now I am adding a fade out with intensity 0.2 in music. Okay, now move on to the overlays. I using my watermark animation. And then I made this. First of all, I freeze the clip and make it into the image and remove the background and adding some keyframes with graph cubic out. Okay, now move on to the effects. I using two effects for this edit. First is shake effect and second is vibration flash. I using some keyframes in shake effect. First keyframe have speeds full and intensity 35 and second keyframe have the speed 0 and intensity 0. I using graph cubic out in this. And in vibration flash, the object is all videos. And I copy this shake effect and put it on other clips. In this transition, I use white flash with intensity 0.2. Okay, now move on to the color correction. In filters, I using humble effect with intensity 30 and I'm going to the adjustments to upgrade video quality. If you don't know how to increase video quality and adding color correction in videos, so check it out this video, link in description. Now move on to the graphs. In all clips, I using the graph names float 2. Again move on to the filters and adjustment. The first filter I use is cold blue with a 30% range and the second filter I use green gray with a 20% range. And I using one more adjustment and making sharpness 30%. And then I using one more filter called humble with 40% range for other clips. Now our edit almost done. Now move on to the text animations. I already adjust text according to speech and adding a keyframes in first and last and also use in second text. The font I use in this text called Quina. And then I using glow effect in this text, intensity 34 and range 62. Then I using this text effect. In text animations, I using type 2 animation and the second is fade out animation. And all these things also applied on second text, abstract animation. The animation I use is random rise and out is fade out. And then I using font name riser regular. In this text I using font calls chaos and pain, and the animation is random rise and another animation name is blow up. And it is done guys. Thanks for watching my video. I'm so sorry if you does not understand my language.